Proper leaders produce proper politics and proper economics. Ashperi Moshe Nelson Chamisa azoadresa nyika yeZimbabwe achivaudza kuti aiwa the regime choona yakagara yakamira pairi aiwa they are not proper, noda kuti they are failing to execute their rights and what they are expected. Samina mashoko tawana Nelson Chamisa no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipina nyora achiti to have a functional, working, productive, effective, that is economy that performs, produces and rewards for business, workers, pensioners and consumers, and competitive economy for economic prosperity, we need proper leaders and proper policies. A case in point is the period between 2009 and 2013. We, the proper leaders, were in there. During this period, the economy performed exceptionally and supersonically well, with the average growth rate of 10.7% per year for the entire period. The domestic debt was virtually zero. We suppressed the external debt and also tamed the appetite for both expenditure overruns and the new debt accumulation. Mashoko antokana Nelson Chamisa achiti aiwa patanga tiripo in power between this period 2009 to 2013 nyika yakadevelopa do nyika yakasimuka pakabviswa aiwa mabhiera aivepo pakapinda aiwa the foreign currency US dollar yakasimudza economy nyika yeZimbabwe. Vanhu vazhinji vari successful vakava successful pa that period. Tudze mafunguro entona Nelson Chamisa achidhisimisa ZANU-PF achiti they are not proper leaders. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.